Standard 10th History, Chapter 3, World War II. Introduction. The first half of the 20th century witnessed two wars which devastated the world. World War I was fought from 1914 to 1918, and World War II began in 1939 and ended in 1945. These two wars are referred as the World Wars because of the extended areas of the conflict and the very high death toll of civilians as well as armed combatants. Both wars were fought on several fronts across Europe, Asia, and Africa. The combined forces of Great Britain, France, Russia, and United States fought against a war alliance led by Germany. Germany's allies were Italy and Japan in the World War II. Causes, cause, and effects of World War II. The immediate and primary cause of World War II was the aggressive military offensive undertaken by Germany and a fast developing Japan. The Treaty of Versailles ending World War I was signed in June 1919. It caused great resentment among the Germans. Germany was forced to give up territories to the west, north, and east of the German border. Germany had to disarm and was allowed to retain only a very restricted armed force. As reparation for the war, Germany was expected to pay for the military and civilian cost of the war to the Allied nations. The treaty also set up the League of Nations on the initiative of President Woodrow Wilson of the United States. The League was expected to mediate between countries and take action against countries which indulge in military aggression. United States did not become a member of the League. The League remained an ineffectual international body. The problems which many countries faced in the post-World War I decades led to the rise of extreme right-wing dictatorship in Italy, Mussolini, Germany, Hitler, and Spain, Franco. 3. Dictatorship, Mussolini, Hitler, and Franco. Germany experienced both high unemployment and severe inflation after the war, and its currency became practically worthless. Adolf Hitler was gifted with great oratorical skills by his impassioned speeches, promising a return to the glorious military past of Germany. He founded the National Socialist Party, generally known as the Nazis. Hitler built his support was the notion of the racial superiority of the Germans. As a pure Aryan race and a deep seated hatred of the Jews. He hated the Jews. Hitler came to power in 1933 and ruled Germany till 1945. Hitler began to rearm Germany. The recruitment for the armed forces and the manufacture of armaments and machinery for the army, navy, and air force resulted in an economic revival and solved the problem of unemployment in Germany. In 1936, before Germany invaded Rhineland, which was supposed to be a demilitarized zone, Rome Berlin Tokyo axis had come into being. In 1938, Hitler invaded Austria and Czechoslovakia. Hitler's claim was that German speaking people should be united into one nation. Italy invaded Ethiopia in 1935 and Albania in 1939. In 1931, Japan invaded Manchuria, and in 1937, he invaded China and seized Beijing. All these were ignored by the Allies, and the League of Nations was unable to take any action. The United States was totally indifferent to the outside world and was concerned with the revival of the economy after the Great Depression. Munich Pact. The Western powers and the Soviet Union distrusted each other. The Western powers and the Soviet Union distrusted each other. In 1938, Prime Minister Chamberlain concluded the Munich Pact with Germany, which was a shameful acceptance of Germany's invasion of Czechoslovakia to annex German-speaking Sudetenland. In 1939, the Soviet Union independently concluded a non-aggression pact with Germany. In 1939, he invaded Czechoslovakia. Poland was attacked next. The final act, which resulted in the declaration of war by Britain and France against Germany. In Britain, Prime Minister Chamberlain resigned in 1940, and Winston Churchill, who had always warned about Hitler and his military ambitions, became Prime Minister. Course of the World War II. World War II was fought on two distinct fronts, Europe and the Asia Pacific. In Europe, the war was fought by the Allies against Germany and Italy. In Asia Pacific, the Allies fought Japan. World War II was a modern war, fought with heavy military equipment such as tanks, submarines, battleships, aircraft carriers, fighter planes, and bomber planes. Britain and France declared war on Germany in September 1939. In 1940, Italy joined Germany, and in September 1940, Japan also joined the Axis powers. The first years of the war were a time of spectacular success of German army, which occupied Denmark and Norway, and later France. By 1941, all of mainland Europe till the Russian frontier was under Axis powers. German army followed a tactic of lightning strike called Blitzkrieg to storm into various countries and overrun them. The British Royal Navy continued to be the most powerful among the European naval force. Britain depended on a large scale imports of food, raw materials, and industrial goods from its empire and US. To attack this, Germany developed a fleet of submarines which caused havoc in Atlantic Ocean by sinking a large number of civilian ships carrying supplies to Britain. Battle of Britain. By July 1940, Germans were planning to invade Britain. Hitler wanted to force Britain to accept his proposals for peace. He started his airborne bombing campaign. The German Air Force began to attack specific targets, especially the ports, airfields, and industrial installations. In September 1940, London was bombed mercilessly, an action known as the Blitz. Night bombing raids on London and other industrial cities began. This campaign failed because, with the aid of newly developed and top secret device, radar for detecting aircraft, the fighter planes of Royal Air Force were able to inflict severe losses on German bombers. The raids stopped after October 1940. Lend-Lease 1941 to 1945. President Roosevelt realized that United States had to change its policy of isolation but could not intervene directly in the war in Europe because it was not politically feasible. So he started a program of Lend-Lease. Arms, food, military equipment, and other supplies were sent to Britain disguised as a loan. Invasion of Russia. In June 1941, the German army invaded Russia. The Germans wanted to destroy the communist regime and to exploit Russia's natural resources, especially oil. The German strategy of lightning strikes was initially successful. The German army then marched on Moscow. Due to the fierce Russian winter, defeated the German army. Battle of Stalingrad on the banks of the river Volga. In August 1945, the Germans attacked Stalingrad. Stalingrad was a large industrial city producing armaments and tractors. Capturing the city would cut Soviet transport. Germans have to access to the oil fields of the Caucasus. German have to access to the oil fields of the Caucasus. German war planners hoped to achieve that end with Fall Blau. Fall Blau means Operation Blue. On June 28, 1942, operations began with significant German victories. Russian people suffered not only from bad working conditions and living conditions. 15 million civilian deaths, 10 million members of armed forces were killed, 1/10 of the Russians' population died. The people remained loyal to the government despite Hitler's hope of an anti-Stalin revolution. They successfully defended the city of Stalingrad. Battle of El Alamein. German forces under General Rommel were remarkably successful in occupying North Africa, leaving the British with only Egypt. They occupied North Africa, leaving the British with only Egypt. The Allied forces under General Montgomery defeated the German and Italian forces. The German army was chased across the desert out of North Africa. This provided the base for Allied forces to invade Italy. Surrender of Italy. Mussolini had been thrown out and the new government of Italy surrendered to the Allies in 1943. Mussolini was killed in April 1945 by an Italian partisans. End of Hitler. The Allied forces under the command of General Eisenhower invaded Normandy in France. The Germans fought back and the war continued for nearly another year and finally ended in May 1945. Hitler committed suicide in April 1945. In 1944, the Russian army began to attack Germany from the east. Russian army began to attack Germany from the east and captured much of the Eastern Europe and Poland. In 1945, they occupied parts of Berlin, so that Germany was divided into two sections after the war. Germany was divided into two sections, West Germany and East Germany. War in Asia and Pacific regions. The Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1931. China appealed to the League of Nations. The act of aggression did not attract the attention of the US or Britain. In 1931, Japan invaded Manchuria. In 1937, Japan invaded China and seized Beijing. Beijing or Peking. Shanghai was also captured. Civilians were killed, tortured, women were tortured, civilians were killed, and children to old women were tortured and killed. The Chinese army under Chiang Kai-shek returned to the west to the hilly country from where they continued to fight with Japan. Pearl Harbor. On December 1941, Japan attacked American naval installations in Pearl Harbor. Japan attacked American naval installation in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, without warning. The idea was to cripple America's Pacific Fleet. Many battleships and numerous fighter planes were destroyed. So US declared war on Japan. This brought together both Asia Pacific and European war into one common cause. Japanese aggression in Southeast Asia. Japan had success in their plan to extend their empire throughout Southeast Asia. Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Andaman Islands, and Burma all fell to the Japanese. Battle of Midway and Battle of Guadalcanal in 1942. The US Navy defeated the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Midway. Both were crushing defeats for the Japanese. The American forces were able to retake the Philippines. The Japanese were thrown out of most of the conquered territories. In 1944, the combined British and the Indian armies were able to push back the Japanese who attempted to invade the northeast of India. They pushed the Japanese out of Burma and freed Malaya and Singapore. Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. The US developed an atomic bomb more powerful than conventional explosives. The Japanese generals refused to surrender, and finally, the US dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima. As the Japanese still refused to surrender, another atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. Japan ultimately announced surrender on 15th August 1945 and formally signed 2nd September 1945, bringing an end to the World War II. Effects of the war. The world was divided into two main blocks led by superpowers. One led by USA, anti-communist ideology, and the other by Soviet Russia. Europe was divided into two, communist and non-communist. The United States and Soviet Union entered into a race to have more nuclear-powered weapons. Many international agencies, in particular the United Nations, the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, came into existence. It provides help to countries, large as well as small. Colonial powers were forced to give independence. Holocaust and its outfall. After Hitler came to power, the Jews were persecuted. They were deprived of the civil rights. They were not given civil rights. Properties were confiscated. The Nazis came up with the notion of final solution, which was to exterminate the Jews completely. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. According to the Charter, pledged to promote universal respect, observance of human rights, freedom for all without distinction to race, sex, language and religion, to protect human rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights set forth fundamental human rights in 30 articles. The UN adopted this on 10th December 1948. Birth of Israel. The creation of the State of Israel as a homeland for the Jews. The original home of the Jews during Roman times. New international order. In 1941, United States and Britain began to give consideration to the international cooperation for achieving peace among all nations. International economic and financial stability were also important objectives. The establishment of United Nations, the World Bank, and International Monetary Fund with many associated organizations deal with basic issues of importance for all societies and countries. The United Nations came into existence. The first initiative for United Nations came from United States and Britain in 1941. It accepted all the 26 countries. The Charter of United Nations was signed on June 26, 1945. 193 member states General Assembly and Security Council. The United Nations functions and its principal organs are legislative, executive, and judicial functions of the state. It meets once in a year. Points of conflict are discussed. The Security Council has 15 members. 5 countries: the United States, Britain, France, Russia, and China. 10 temporary members who are elected in rotation. The permanent members has the right to veto any decision by the other members of the Security Council. Major issues and conflicts are discussed in the Security Council. Administrative structure. The executive wing of the United Nations is the UN Secretariat. The Secretary General, along with its cabinet and other officials, run the United Nations. The International Court of Justice, headquarters at Hague in Holland, is the judicial wing of the United Nations. The Economic and Social Council, the 5th organ of the United Nations, is responsible for coordinating all the economic and social work of the United Nations. Food and Agricultural Organization, World Health Organization, UNESCO, UNICEF, UNDP, which focuses on development. Activities of the UNO: to maintain international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among countries, to achieve international cooperation, to encourage respect for human rights and fundamental freedom. The Indian Army has been an important part of the peacekeeping force and has been deployed in many parts of the world. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, referred to as the Bretton Woods Twins, were both established in 1945 after Bretton Woods Conference in 1944. The two main organs of World Bank are the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and International Development Agency, IDA, IBRD. The main responsibility of IBRD in the initial years was to fund the reconstruction activities under the Marshall Plan in European countries devastated by the war. The bank lends money. Poverty alleviation programs in rural areas. The International Development Agency provides money to government for developmental activities. International Finance Corporation main function with private enterprises in developing countries. It aims improving living standards, removing illiteracy, empowering women, and improving maternal and child health, improving the environment, and eradicating AIDS. International Monetary Fund, IMF. The International Monetary Fund was primarily the brainchild of Harry Dexter White and John Maynard Keynes, the famous economist. It was formally organized in 1945 with 29 member countries, membership of 189 countries, to promote international monetary cooperation, expansion of international trade, and exchange stability. The fund lends money from its resources to countries facing balance of payment because they are unable to pay for their imports. Post-war welfare states in Europe. The term welfare states refers to the concept that government is responsible for the social and economic welfare of the people. In 1942, the report, commonly known as Beveridge Report, was published in United Kingdom. It is a series of measures which the government should adopt to provide citizens with adequate income, health care, education, housing and employment, to overcome poverty and disease. The Labour Party was voted into power in Britain. Steps to look after the people from the cradle to the grave. National Health Service, old age pensions, unemployment benefits, child care services, and family welfare services. These countries also try to minimize economic disparity through progressive taxation by taxing the higher income groups at relatively high rates. Come to the end of the lesson. Thank you.